Here we have Casey and Reagan, our St. Bernard puppy. Reagan doesn't love paw handling, as you can tell here when she's pulling it away from Casey. The trick is to always allow Reagan to pull away when she's uncomfortable, and we're going to reward her for any handling with those front feet. It's really important to have your tools out and really get your dog accustomed to hairbrushes if it's a dog that will need brushed often, nail clippers, any tool that you will need to use to take care of your dog. We don't want these to only come out when something scary and traumatic is going to happen. So we pretend to do nail trims, we can massage with them, reward them. If you can get 1 or 2 nails clipped at a time, that's fantastic. If the puppy's not ready for it, then we'll just hold off and wait. Reagan is going to be a big dog that's going to need to be brushed regularly. It's really important to get Reagan to understand that brushing is a more relaxing thing so that she can really enjoy her regular brushings. So Casey's getting her introduced to the brush and giving her lots of treats and rewards for allowing it. The same thing, here she goes with the clippers again, getting Reagan used to the sound of the clippers, and then little touches until she's ready for an actual clip. Here we have Victoria working with Miss Dottie. She's basically going over everything that a vet would. She's checking her ears, her teeth, her eyes, and then doing some paw work as if she's going to be getting a nail trim. Most dogs don't like their paws being handled. The biggest reason is because we don't do it very often. The only time we go for a dog's paws is to bring out the clippers and trim their nails. So if every time somebody does something to them and it equals something scary, they're just going to grow accustomed to hating it. Make sure you're going at your dog's pace. If you notice that they are pulling back, it means that they're getting uncomfortable and you need to take a break or move on to something else. Choose the correct time to do your practice. If your dog is hyper and rowdy, that's probably not the best time. I like to work on cooperative care in the evening while watching TV. I'll get out my tools and a bunch of treats, and we'll have a 2 to 3 minute session. If you absolutely have to do something that the dog isn't going to like a nail trim, do it in a place that is not regularly occurring to them in their daily life. I choose a location that is very rare to them, maybe a place on the front patio with a special blanket that only comes out for those instances.